In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to find ID numbers for Roblox items and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just go over here on a Google Chrome. We have to get into the Google Chrome. Now over here, just first you have to get into the Google Chrome, then just make sure that is signed in on your Roblox account. Over here in my case, I have already signed in. Once you're signed in, what you need to do is, this is my account that called NXC Viper. And once you're signed in, you have to click on the marketplace here. So this is actually a place where you can purchase and all the kind of things, where you can do kind of search as per your needs, you can get it. Now from here, what you need to do is just go to all. Now we can set with kind of items you need. You can categorize it if you need. For example, if you need body, just go for body and go for apply. So you'll be having all these kind of things. Now once you get into this, what you need to just select the item that you wanted to purchase. For example, if this, you have to select this. Now once you get into this, over here at the top, you can see this is the item that I select, that called frog hat with little duck messy hair, which is around 36 over here. Now if you wanted to find the ID number, over here at the top, you can see we have a numerical value over here. Right, this is my ID number. You have to copy this, and this is the ID number, and this is how we can find it on a Roblox. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.